Oscar is a RC guy from way back, but his RC stuff usually stays lower to the ground. Today, he's gonna try to hover, full ACRO drone, and put it back down. Easy peasy.
Hey man, can you put it on the mode to where it's like stable, like the GPS thingy or whatever you do?
I don't have that.
Whoa,
yeah,
man.
it doesn't. No, it's full manual.
This isn't gonna be good.
I just want you to bring it up and hover a little bit and put it back down. That's it. Now I will do the arm switch. I don't want you to hit a car or something.
Right, all right.
So do you need me to explain anything?
I know how to throttle and...
Okay, so throttle all the way down so I can arm it.
Ready?
All right. You got it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, no, that's air mode.
Why did it bounce like that? That made no sense. I went down on the throttle.
It's air mode.
There's a feature built into Betaflight to try to keep your props from completely cutting off and you dropping out of the sky.
Oh my God.
That's good. That's good. You can see
Dude,
how...
that's f***ing ridiculous, man.
No, you were doing great, but you see how agile it is, right?
I mean, you blowing it.
No, that's not like
I need a DJI, man.
Well, there are DJI components on here, but let's try it again. Go from here across that line and then disarm. Just up, forward, and then...
No, up and back.
No, oh, up and back?
Look, because, no, okay, that's the front.
That's the front, yeah.
So I thought that was the front, my bad.
No, that's the... You ready? You ready?
All right.
All right. You got it. What do you think?
He's doing good.
For first time in full ACRO?
First time in ACRO.
I expected it to launch into space.
Yeah.
Well, how much would it cost to build?
Come on, let's do it again. Come on, you can do it. Let's do it one more time.
I mean, I'd rather crash my own drone, you know what I mean?
It's
bigger.
These are made to crash. But this throttle has to be down for safety, to arm. All right. That's fine. You got to keep practicing. It's so rewarding when you finally get it, though. So just do it gently, go up, and then over that line.
Dig it.
It's fine.
Oh, how do you guys do this shit, man?
It is weird, isn't it?
This is crazy, man. Damn.
One more time. This is the one.
All right, this is the
Finesse, finesse. Take your time. There's no rush. Ready? Slow, slow. Very minute movements. Don't. That's good. That's good. Almost there. Don't take out the camera, man.
My bad.
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. You did it. You did it.
No need to ever fly a drone again.
Oh no! Don't you want to get one?
Yeah, but damn, dude, that's. I think I need a DJI first. You know what I mean?
No, that's going to teach you all the wrong things, right? Don't do that.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys used to love the DJI, man.
We do. There's a lot of DJI components on all this
A
stuff.
lot of DJI components?
Yeah, but you're talking about GPS drone.
You guys start walking and you forget where you come from.
Contestant number 2 is Dan. So you fly helicopters?
I have in the past, a long time ago.
So you should be fine doing line of sight FPV.
If the controls are similar, yes.
Yeah, this is throttle and yaw.
Okay.
And this is pitch and roll.
Okay. Does this work sort of like the collective does on the helicopter? In other words,
I don't know what a collective is.
that makes the helicopter
up and down?
climb and go down.
Yeah. I'm sorry. You're speaking all fancy. This is up and down.
Gotcha.
I'll do the disarm.
Okay.
I'll handle that.
And I fly thumbs if that's okay.
Oh, thumber? No,
Yeah.
I'm out.
Okay.
All right. It's very sensitive, so small inputs. You see? Get it up about a foot off the ground. That's it. You're doing great. Fly it over and land it at the cameraman's feet.
I don't know about that.
You got it. You're a pro, man. Let's put goggles on this guy. I can feel your hands shaking.
I know it.
All right, there we go. No, it's great.
All right.
That's your first time flying FPV?
Yeah.
Goggle time.
No.
Yeah.
No, I fall over.
No?
I fall over.
Can you do tricks with your helicopter?
Yeah, I can fly 3D.
I am not a good line of sight flyer, so like a flip, I can do those in the goggles, but
Right.
I will probably decapitate our cameraman.
Yeah.
All right. Bring it back and land it on my red chuck.
Where?
Right on my left shoe. I trust you. I trust you. Close. All right. Thanks, man. That was great.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Dwayne is going to fly actual FPV for the first time. Your thoughts, Dave?
We're gonna let him send up the Grinderino. It's terrible.
Okay. All right. Are the rates comparable to his Avata rates? By the way, Dwayne is deaf. Are you recording on that?
It's recording now.
Okay, hold on. Oh, God. Never mind. Dwayne wasn't following my instructions for some reason.
Are you saying Dwayne's not listening?
He's not listening. He's doing great.
Look at that smile.
He's ripping.
He's ripping balls.
He's definitely going to put that Avata in the trash. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, excellent. I shouldn't have been nervous at all. You did great.
Hey, but I did like your little crossfire.
What did you think about that?
The little crossfire tray? Because I didn't heat shrink the crossfire.
Are you going to get rid of your Avata and just fly FPV now? Question mark. Yeah? Did you like that better than the Avata? Yeah, okay.
I just laid it in.
No. Yeah. Oh, you want to do the 5-inch? Oh, he wants to. You want to fly a 6S? What, mine?
Go for it, Ken.
Okay. He wants to fly mine.
Send it, dude.
Oh,
What? You're scared?
I am. Yes.
Don't be a bitch, Ken.
You're right. I shouldn't be. I shouldn't be a bitch. All right. No.
He's been flying that plastic shit everywhere forever.
Okay. He's never flown 6S. Ah. Oh my God, no. Oh my God. It's still, it hasn't crashed yet. What, why? What happened? Did you? He crashed. He crashed. Flying 6S is like going from a like a 250 motorcycle to a leader bike. That was irresponsible of me to let him do that.
Oh, you put him on the full size?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is it okay? Oh, it's okay. What happened? Was it the arm switch? Oh, you were doing a flip?
He
I think
didn't pull out of the dive.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Was it fun? All right, good. That's all that matters.
Apparently Dwayne sucks at pulling out.
One of the best FPV shirts I've seen. It's the Betaflight shit pilot option. All right, turn it off. You're practiced, you can't, it doesn't go off.
No one's allowed on Tuesday.
Oh my God. Hey Ken, what is this?
Oh, that's the dildo. Yeah.
Okay, why am I holding a dildo?
Stick it right in here.
No, I don't
That's how you
stick things
fly.
in my. Wow.
That's how you fly. You shove it up your butt.
This way.
And you squeeze your butt the faster it goes.
Squeeze.
And you wiggle your butt when you want to go left.
The more you squeeze the balls, the faster it goes.
You want to go right, you turn your butt this way.
Gotta get a good
That
choke
way, and
on
you
it.
squeeze to go faster.
360 camera on there.
Yeah. The video's jittery when I'm flying though.
Have you crashed with it on there?
One time. I asked the dude at Best Buy, I'm like, if I bring this back broken, will you replace it? And they're like, yeah. I was like, what if I bring it back in like 2 pieces? And they're like, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Can you get 2 new ones
Challenge
for the 2
accepted.
pieces?
All right, that's the way
Right?
it should work.
Say this is the only half that I found, and then a week later, bring the other half in, get 2 new ones. What a fun day. It's always fun driving 4 hours to fly around an abandoned hospital with the fellas and then driving 4 hours back. Totally worth it. Just a great day. 75 degrees. I only broke 1 quad. Till next time, and bye. Oh, it's the men's room. Oh no! Turn it off, Dwayne! Turn it off, man! There you go, buddy. Are you okay? Okay, all right. I was peeing and Dwayne was filming me peeing. And so I lurched at him and he crashed.